Are you looking for the best drawing tablets? In this video we will look at some of the best drawing tablets on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Wacom Cintiq 16 Drawing Tablet. The Cintiq 16 Drawing Tablet is a fan favorite among budding artists and more experienced creators alike thanks to its ease of use and features like a built-in anti-glare film on the screen and two size options, depending on whether you want a sizable display, 21.5 inches, or something more compact, 15.6 inches. The HD display provides clarity and a detailed picture as you work, and the ProPen 2 has virtually no lag, make your strokes appear on screen exactly as you intended. The pen also features hotkeys you can customize to your liking, although the tablet itself does not, and offers 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity and tilt recognition for precision. Besides being a bit pricey, the only drawback is that the Cintiq can't be used solo, it needs to be connected to a computer. Number 2. XPPen Deco Mini 7 Graphics Tablet. The Deco Mini 7 comes with a USB-C adapter to let you work across various digital platforms, including Chromebooks and even your phone. This drawing tablet also offers 8 hotkeys, impressive for a smaller model, and is super portable, weighing in at just over half a pound. The accompanying pen offers 60 degrees of tilt support to help you bring your art to life with a mix of soft and sharp lines as needed. If you've been considering getting into digital art, starting with the Deco Mini 7 is a solid choice. It'll give you a feel for drawing within a digital medium and it won't break the bank. Number 3. Wacom Intuos Drawing Tablet. Wacom's Intuos Drawing Tablet comes in 3 models: Intuos S, Intuos S with Bluetooth connectivity, and Intuos M with Bluetooth connectivity. All 3 models come with the option to download up to 3 software packages, and each tablet features 4 hotkeys for optimized customization. Additionally, each model comes with a pen that offers 4096 pressure sensitivity levels and also has 2 customizable hotkeys built into the side for fast and easy access. The accompanying pen also has interchangeable flexible and felt tips stored inside the body of the pen to suit your unique drawing style. Thoughtful details, like the pen tray, make this a favorite among artists of all levels. Plus, starting around $80 makes it an affordable option. 2. Number 4. Wacom Intuos Pro Digital Graphic Drawing Tablet. Wacom touts the Intuos Pro as the professional standard. This model is available in 3 sizes: S, M, and L, each with built-in Bluetooth connectivity. The small tablet comes with 6 built-in hotkeys, dubbed Express keys by Wacom, and the medium and large models each feature 8 hotkeys. The ProPen 2 boasts an impressive 8192 pressure sensitivity levels. Plus, the Intuos Pro comes in 2 additional models, the Intuos Pro Paper Edition in sizes medium and large. These models also come with the ProPen 2 in addition to Wacom's fine tip pen, also featuring 8192 pressure sensitivity levels, and a built-in paper clip so that artists can more easily transition from working on paper to digital. The Paper Edition drawing tablets let you start sketching directly on the tablet or on paper with the ability to edit your work digitally. Number 5. XPPen Artist 12 Pro Graphics Drawing Tablet. This drawing tablet features an 11.6-inch display and, depending on what type of computer you have, it doesn't require an adapter to plug into it. The tablet comes with a 3-inch -1 USB cable. The Artist 12 Pro also has a built-in dial and hotkeys for a customizable experience while in use. Plus, the pen offers up to 8192 pressure sensitivity levels to recognize when you want to draw thick and thin lines or add shading. There is almost zero parallax, so you can see exactly where the cursor is and draw with precision.